Hello students, this is Francis sir with another round of mathematics. Oh, the moment I said mathematics, some faces have turned bright and some of them have turned dull. Okay, let me ask you, why some faces have become dull? Oh, okay, numbers frighten you. You get confused with numbers. Okay, let us see what we can do for you. But today, I think I'm not going to confuse you with numbers, because the topic that I'm going to deal with today is basically dealing with drawings and colors. Oh, see now all the faces have brightened up. Why? Can you tell me why your faces have brightened up? Yes, because you love colors, you like drawing. So basically today we are going to have fun in our mathematics period. We are not going to have any frightening numbers, we are not going to have any frightening problems, but we are just going to have beautiful drawings and designs and colors. All of us have seen designs and we love designs, we love patterns. Oh, you want to say something? Yes, okay, there are beautiful designs on your mother's sari. Oh wow, yes there are. There are beautiful designs on your sister's dupatta. Very good. So we love designs because they bring out the beauty in us. Okay, so that is why today we are going to deal with a topic which deals with designs and numbers. So I'll just note down the topic here on the board for you. The topic today is mirror halves. But to learn mirror halves, we need to see some designs and some patterns. So I will be showing you some designs, and after showing you the designs, I will be asking you some questions based on the design. So let's go for the designs. So I'll be showing you one design one by one. Have a good look at the designs and just register in your mind what you observe. So this is the first design. It's a very beautiful design. Okay, you can see a very beautiful design in this. I'll show you another design. Have a look at this. This is another beautiful pattern. Okay, just register in your mind what you observe about these designs. Let me show you another. Wow, this is still another design with a beautiful blue color. Just have a look. Go on having a look at the various designs. Yes, here you can see a multi-colored design. Isn't it beautiful, children? Yes. Oh, wait. I'll give you a chance to respond. Just wait. Let me show you some more designs. So here we go with some other design. Now, have a look at this design very carefully. I'm going to ask you a question based on this design, a different question. So, and let me show you one more design. Okay? Have a look at it very carefully. Okay? So these are the designs I wanted to show you. Now let me take the first design for you. Or let me take one design for you. When you had a look at this design, you had something in your mind. Okay, now let me ask you, what was special about this design that you saw? So, okay, you tell me what is special in this design that you saw. Okay, the left side and the right side of this design is similar. Very good. That's a very right observation on your part. The left side of this design and the right side of this design are same. That means the shape is same and the colors on the left and on the right are the same. Similar thing happens with this design, as you can see here very clearly. If you look at the left half and the right half of this design, you will find that the design has the same shape and the same color combination. Now, but have a look at this design as well. Your observations stand correct. But now, let me ask you this. Have a look at this design. Yes, you are right. this design, the left side and the right side are not same because the colors are different, right? On one side you have got a slight orangish color or a reddish color, and on the other side you have got the blackish color. So these designs are not same on both the sides. So what do we conclude? We can conclude that designs which have same shape on both the sides, on the left as well as on the right, have the same color, they are called as mirror halves. Now why do I call them mirror halves? Let's have a look. Yeah, now what I have done is, actually I showed you this design earlier. I have folded this design, so you are able to see only one part of this design. You are only able to see one half of this design. Now what I have to do is, if I place a mirror on this side, I will get an image like this. That is why these images are called as mirror halves. Why? Because when I fold this image into half, or when I fold this picture into half and I place a mirror on this side, I'm sorry, unfortunately I don't have a mirror right now with me, but you have to imagine that I have kept a mirror here on this side. Then what happens, when you look at the mirror image and the real image, you will see that the design appears like this. So all images in which both the halves are same, the left as well as the right halves are the same, and they have the same colors, they are called as mirror halves. So what I will do is, I will just, okay, you want to say something? Okay, fine. Okay, in real life, do we have mirror images? Yes, we have mirror images in real life. Look at our own face. Our own face is like a mirror half. If you look at our face, we have ears on both sides, we have eyes on both sides of our face, and we have the nose at the center. So if at all we divide our face into half, we will see that both the halves are mirror halves. That is the best example that we can give about mirror halves in real life. So let me just jot down what is the meaning of a mirror half. So mirror halves. Shapes or figures in which the left side covers the right side completely. Are called mirror halves. Now one condition which is required, which is to be taken care of, that not only the shape, even the color needs to be the same. For example, let me show you another example. Now if you look here, you may feel that the image has the same shape on both the sides. If I fold it at the center, you will say that the image has the same shape on the left as well as the right side. But we cannot call this exactly as a mirror half, because on one side you have a yellow color and on the other side you have a blue color. So since the colors are different, yes, that's right, since the colors are different and only the shape is same, we cannot call them as mirror halves. Okay, for mirror halves, even the colors as well as the shape, both should be the same on both the sides. So this is the concept of a mirror half. But I have an interesting activity for you today of how to make mirror halves on your own. So for that, what you need is a tube of watercolors, okay, or watercolor tubes you can have, and you need a sheet of paper. So I'll just take out a sheet of paper for you. You need a blank sheet of paper and you require tubes of watercolors. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out 4 different colors, okay. I'll show you which colors I'm going to take out.